We're hoeing the field for weeds right now so that when we come out here to take spectrometer readings, we won't have any interference.
The benefit that we get from hoeing the fields is that weeds or plants growing in the same area that we're trying to grow corn, soybeans, whatever it may be, it's direct competition for the same resources. So hoeing eliminates that competition, but also makes life a little bit easier in the field by having clear walkways. You reduce the possibility of pest pressure, and then it helps the corn or the soybeans kind of fully expand and grow naturally how they should.
Usually when we hoe, we don't need to go out more than once. For Ashland, we'll probably go out maybe one more time, but the other fields that have been sprayed with different herbicides should be all right.
The wings of rocks are endless mountains, tragedies with penniless fountains. It's just cherries, cherries, it's coming up cherries on top. Sunset shadows through the...
How's it going, Jessica?